How to install a WordPress plugin. There are a few ways to install a WordPress plugin, and I will show you the simplest and easiest way of installing the plugin from the WordPress repository. You can find that by hovering your cursor over plugins and clicking the Add New option. From here, you can filter results by featured, popular, recommended, and favorites. Using this search bar, you can search for any plugin you want. Then, just click the Install Now button. Once installed, it will change to a blue Activate button, and when you click it, the plugin will now start working on your website. This plugin requires a setup that one can do from here step by following the instructions. I skipped this part for later. The plugin has started working on the website. Also, it was added as a new item in the dashboard menu. If your plugin also requires setup, by clicking on it, you can start configuring the plugin and finish the required setup whenever you want. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.